Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we will see how you can enable GPU rasterization for your Google Chrome. If you don't know, the GPU rasterization helps you speed up your Google Chrome if you have a dedicated graphics card. The Chrome will use your dedicated graphics card to produce some images or convert them to pixels, which will really help you in speeding up your Google Chrome, especially if you faces a lot of web content jittering. So let's see how to enable GPU rasterization. So first let's open our Google Chrome. Now the GPU rasterization is not found in the regular settings. It is found in the Chrome flags. If you don't know how to access Chrome flags, simply go to the search bar and write the following address. Once you type the following address, simply hit the enter button. Now once you land on this particular screen, all you need to do is go to the search bar and search for GPU Rasterization. And here you can see that this is the GPU rasterization, and it uses GPU to rasterize web content. So not only this feature will make your overall browsing experience fast and quick, you will also feel the efficiency and a lot of load off from your CPU. So your CPU will be free for doing other tasks as well. This feature is very important, especially if you want to boost up your viewing and browsing experience. So to enable it, simply click on this dot right here and you can select the enable button. Now it will ask you to relaunch your Google Chrome. Simply click on this button and it will relaunch your Google Chrome with the GPU rasterization enabled. Now if you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.